Hello friends, welcome to Jobs Arena. In this video, we are going to discuss the notification released by SSB, that is Sashastra Seema Bal, for the recruitment of constable. In this video, we are going to discuss about department, vacancy, pay scale, job location, education qualification, age limit, selection process, application fee, important dates and also official websites. The department is Sashastra Seema Bal under the Ministry of Home Affairs. The 1522 vacancies are distributed among these jobs, that is constable under driver, laboratory assistant, veterinary, aya female only, carpenter, plumber, painter, tailor, cobbler, gardener, cook male, cook female, washerman female, barber female, safai wala female, water carrier male, water carrier female and also waiter. Pay scale and other allowances as per the 7 CPC. For the post of constable, the basic pay is 21,700, which includes dearness allowance, ration money allowance, washing allowances and other allowances as post will governed under the defined contribution pension scheme, that is new pension scheme. Sashastra Seema Bal is a border patrol organization of India deployed along with its border with Nepal and Bhutan. Hence, job location will be in the borders of Nepal and Bhutan. Education qualification. The matriculation is must for all. For the driver, must possess valid heavy vehicle driving license, and for laboratory assistant, should have certificate in laboratory assistant course from an institution recognized by central government or state government, and the age limit will be 18 to 25 years. For the constable veterinary, age limit is 18 to 25 years. The candidate should pass 10th or matriculation examination pass with science as main subject from recognized university. 1 year experience in term of different species of animals in a recognized veterinary hospital. Constable Aya female only, 18 to 25 years of age, matriculation with science from a recognized board or institution, possessing the first aid examination pass certificate from a Red Cross Society or should be trained. 1 year experience in relevant field. For the constable, carpenter, plumber and painter, age should be 18 to 25 years and the education qualification or matriculation or equivalent from a recognized board, 2 years work experience in a respective trade, 1 year certificate course from a recognized industrial training institute or vocational institute, at least 1 year experience in respective trade, 2 year diploma from a recognized industrial training institute in the respective trade or similar trade, and must qualify trade test. For the constable under cook, washerman, barber, safai wala, water carrier, waiter, tailor, gardener and cobbler, the age should be between 18 to 23 years and the education qualifications are matriculation or equivalent from the recognized board with 2 year work experience in respective trades, or 1 year certificate course from the recognized industrial training institute or vocational institute with at least 1 year experience in the trade, or 2 years diploma from a recognized industrial training institute in the trade or similar trade. Must qualify trade test. Multi-skilled candidates will be given preferences. The selection process will be done in the following 3 stages. The candidates will have to be medically fit. Stage 1 will be physical standard test PST and physical efficiency test PET, the qualifying in nature. The stage 2 will be written examination for 100 marks. Stage 3 will be trade test. Application fee for general EWS OBC, that is 100 rupees. For SC ST ex-serviceman and female, no fee. Important dates. Annual application process commenced from 29/8/2020 and the last date to apply from online is 27/9/2020. Physical standard test. Height of the general candidates. Minimum should be 170 meters for male and 157 centimeters for female. Chest is 80 centimeters when unexpanded, 85 centimeters when expanded. For female, it is not applicable. Weight should be proportionate to the height and body weight, that is body mass index ratio. Physical efficiency test. Under the category driver, laboratory assistant, veterinary, carpenter, plumber, painter, tailor, cobbler, gardener, cook, waterman, barber, safai wala, water carrier, waiter. For the male, 4.8 km run should be completed in 24 minutes and for female 2.4 km run should be completed within 18 minutes. Official website. This is the official websites of SSB. If you want to apply online, please go with this website to apply online. For official notification, you can go with this website. and all three websites are given in the description. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. If not, join to my Telegram group at Jobs Arena for fast and immediate response. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. You will never miss any updates on the jobs. Thank you.